Happy Friday, first grade! I hope you guys had an amazing week just like I did. Make sure your parents are watching this with you so they know all about the fun stuff that we have been learning in class. Also, students, make sure that you have your parents sign in your agenda to make sure I know that they watched this with you. Parents, this is the Kansas and College Career Ready Standard that we have been working so very hard on during class. We are using our observations of the sun, moon, and stars to describe patterns that can be predicted. Currently, we're on our third lesson of this standard, and our students will be able to identify the phases of the moon by text and their image. Students, this is your time to shine, just like the stars. Share what you have been learning about during class. Make sure you include why the sun and moon show at different times. Also include why the sun rises in the east and falls in the west. Share why stars are only seen at night. You can also talk about the pictures that stars make up in the sky and what they're called. Feel free to pause this and talk to your parents about it. This upcoming week, we will be talking about the phases of the moon. If you noticed on our phases of the moon chart, the first and the last look very similar. These are called new moons. The second and the second to last phase look very similar as well. These are called crescents. In the middle, they look a little bit different. There's the first quarter, the waxing gibbous, the full moon, the waning gibbous, and the last quarter. This week we will talk about why the moon has phases and maybe even create a little poster with a few friends. Here are a few things to remember to bring on Monday. Students, make sure you have a notebook and pencil so we can take some notes. Make sure you bring back your completed moon phases worksheet. Make sure you have your parents' signature in your agenda, just like Miss Deach just said. And don't forget to put a smile on your face and have a great attitude when I see you on Monday. Now you see that picture of the panda? You enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.